Imagine being able to travel anywhere you choose with comfort, style, and state-of-the-art technology at your disposal. 10 smart mobility scooters that are revolutionizing personal transportation are featured in today's video. These cutting-edge devices, which range from incredibly lightweight folding models to sophisticated scooters with GPS tracking, digital displays, smart safety features, and an amazing battery life, are made to make daily travel simpler and more pleasurable. This list has something for everyone, whether you're searching for the newest mobility technology, convenience, or freedom. Watch this space as we list 10 amazing smart mobility scooters that you just must see. The Vosic D62 Ace Turn Smart Mobility Scooter is meticulously crafted for users seeking an optimal blend of ergonomic comfort, structural stability, and contemporary navigation features. Utilizing a robust four-wheel architecture, this vehicle pairs a heavy-duty chassis with plush supportive seating and highly responsive steering controls to guarantee a smooth, confident ride across both indoor floors and outdoor pathways. Driven by a high-efficiency motor paired with a reliable battery configuration, it offers an extensive traveling range that ensures dependable daily transportation for running errands or commuting. The platform seamlessly unifies ultimate user convenience, comprehensive safety engineering, and personal independence. The Pride Mobility Revo 2.0 is an intelligent mobility scooter that expertly blends user comfort, structural durability, and easy transportability. Engineered to navigate both indoor spaces and outdoor pathways effortlessly, it incorporates a proprietary Comfort Track suspension system to provide an exceptionally smooth, cushioned ride over uneven or bumpy terrains. The scooter is capable of reaching travel speeds of up to 5 miles per hour, delivers a generous driving range of up to 17 miles, 28 kilometers per charge, and boasts a heavy-duty weight capacity of 400 pounds. A standout feature is its streamlined, tool-free disassembly framework, allowing users to quickly break down the frame for straightforward vehicle trunk transport and compact storage, rendering it an incredibly dependable solution for daily independent living. The Careco Zoom Pro is a compact, travel-friendly smart mobility scooter engineered to enhance daily independence and streamline personal transport. Powered by a reliable 270-watt motor, the vehicle achieves a top travel speed of 6.4 kilometers per hour and delivers a driving range of up to 11.6 miles, making it an excellent companion for short urban commutes or running errands. Its quick-release disassembly system allows users to effortlessly split the frame down for quick storage inside a car trunk, while integrated front and rear suspension setups absorb vibrations over uneven sidewalks. Complete with solid puncture-proof tires, a convenient swiveling seat, and an ergonomic Delta tiller control setup, the scooter offers an intuitive, secure, and smooth riding experience. The Baja Wrangler 2 is a rugged, adventure-focused smart mobility scooter engineered for users who demand serious outdoor performance without sacrificing ergonomic comfort. Powered by a dual-motor configuration, it delivers exceptional stability and traction across challenging terrains like gravel, grass, and uneven paths, while its heavy-duty suspension system effectively absorbs shock. The scooter smoothly balances power and endurance, achieving a top speed of around 11 miles per hour and an impressive travel range of up to 26 miles per charge. It serves as a highly durable and premium mobility solution built to provide ultimate freedom, precise handling, and confidence during outdoor exploration. The Boomer Buggy X Pro is a robust, fully enclosed smart mobility scooter engineered to provide comprehensive all-weather independence and exceptional passenger comfort. Driven by a powerful 1,200-watt motor paired with a heavy-duty 60V 45AA battery configuration, the vehicle achieves a top travel speed of roughly 20 kilometers per hour and delivers an impressive driving range of up to 60 kilometers on a single charge. Its signature breakthrough is a completely sealed automotive-inspired cabin space outfitted with integrated heating, air conditioning, power-operated side windows, and an adjustable sunroof. This unique structural architecture transforms the scooter into a protective micro-vehicle, allowing users to comfortably manage extended urban commutes while remaining entirely shielded from harsh exterior environmental elements.